Hello, marhaba. My name is Miki. In this video, we will learn the first letter of Arabic alphabets, which is A. A consists of two parts, the head, and we name it Hamza, and the other part is the body, and we call it A. Now let's see how the letter A written. First, we start with the head. As you can see, it looks like C letter, and there is a line under it. After that, we draw a vertical line, which is the body. Easy, right? Okay, now let's write it faster this time. Moving to diacritics. There are more diacritics, but we are going to focus on the most important one that we use a lot. So, why diacritics are important? Because they can change the word meaning. We're going to start with fatha. It's a small diagonal line placed above the letter and we pronounce it A. While kasra is a similar diagonal line below the letter and we pronounce it E. And finally dhamma, which is a small curl-like diacritic placed above a letter to present a short U. So, A, E, U. Here is an example of how the diacritics can change the word meaning. Both the same words, but because diacritics are different, it changed the word meaning. The first word, darasa, means studied, while the second word, dars, means listen. Here is an information about writing in Arabic. When we write in Arabic, we have to connect the letters, except when we come across a disconnected letter. There are 6 letters, which are A, Wa, Da, Tha, Ra, and Za. Whenever you write one of these letters, the letter after them cannot connect to them. Remember, the letter after them, not before it. We will see that a lot in the next examples. Here are some examples of the letter A when it's written in a word. When it comes at the beginning of a word, it always stands alone and doesn't connect to the letter after it. Like the word ahmar, which means red, or the word ana, which means I or me. Now let's see when it comes in the middle of a word. It has 2 forms as you can see. Either it stands alone when the letter before it is a disconnected letter, which is ra in that case. For the first example, imra'a, which means woman. Or it connects to the letter before it if that letter is not a disconnected one, like the example kas, which means cup. Finally, when it comes in the end of a word, it's the same like the middle one, as you can see for the example qara'a and khata. To keep learning about the rest of the letters and much more, hit the subscribe button and a little bell will appear next to it. If you click that each time I upload a new video, YouTube will send you an alert so you can keep up to date. Additional information in the link below. Bye!